Welcome everyone, Bill Dow here. Super excited about this video. Okay, in this video, I want to talk about how can project managers keep their project resources engaged on the project, especially in this remote world we're in. Why is this a problem? Well, that's easy, right? Because now we've moved to this fully transitioned, fully remote world. We're seeing huge drops in engagement from our team members. Long gone are the days when we can walk down the hall, stop into a cube, stop into an office, and really build that connection and that personal relationship with someone. No, we have to do that over Teams, over chat, over Zoom, right? And it makes it much more difficult to create those personal connections. Do they have their cameras on, right? Can we see them? Can we see facial expressions? Are they talking on mute? Do we have to keep reminding them to turn their cameras on? Do we have to keep remind them that they're talking on mute, right? These are all the nuances that we deal with when we can't just walk down the hall. But that's okay. We got solutions for you. We're coming up. But as you know, right, the less engagement we have from our resources, the more disruption, the more dissatisfaction, and you see the higher turnover rate, not only on your project, but you see that at the company as well. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, right? Hit the little bell notification. I want to make sure I'm providing the most value I possibly can to you. Okay, before I continue though, I have a question. Are you seeing the same level of disengagement? Are you seeing that people and the resources on your teams are not connected as much as they used to be when they were all in the single office? Are you seeing that level as well? Please comment below. I'm dying to see and hear what you guys are experiencing, because we see that definite drop in engagement. So what do we do about this? Right? This is a tough challenge, but what do we do about it? Well, I've got some solutions, right? When you can't just walk down the hall or drop into someone's office or cube, it's much more difficult, but I do have some suggestions for you. And let me tell you what I've done and what I continue to do personally on my projects. One of the first things you have to do is you have to set a clear vision and direction and goals for the project resources, right? Setting these visions and goals is going to be, not only is it not a one and done scenario, you've got to do this all the time to make sure they're aligned to it, but it's going to be a huge factor in keeping them connected to the project. I can't stress that enough, right? One of the things that you can do is, as you go through phase gates, this is a time as well to bring your team members together. Not doing phase gates? Oh, well, I'll have a video for that, and so we'll talk through that shortly in another video. But phase gates are these major components of a project, and they're basically stopping points. So what a great time to get everyone rallied around. What a great time to bring people together. Phase gates is a huge aspect to keeping people engaged. Number two, keeping your team members engaged by giving them challenging and complex tasks while they're learning. So, right, you want to give that opportunity for them to learn, but you want to give them challenging tasks so they can dive right into it. They can get right into that project and really understand what they have to build while challenging them, while giving them a learning environment. They're going to love that, and you're definitely going to get engagement when you have that level of connection. Number three, as a project manager, you have to personally connect with your resources. Some of your resources need a lot more hand-holding. Some of your resources really need to feel connected to the project. You're going to have to fire up that Zoom call, fire up that Teams conversation, either video conversation or connection, but you have to personally connect with your team members. I can't stress that enough. We talk about the art and science of project management. That's a really clear indication. There's a huge art there with that relationship and that relationship building and those communications. It's a huge win by doing that. Does that make sense? What do you guys think? Please do comment below. I appreciate your time. Oh, quick reminder, please like and subscribe, of course, but what's more important is watch the next video on remote project management. Right? We dig into these topics. It's listed right here on the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great one. I'll talk to you soon.